Yesterday was son's 13th birthday. All the mess. I have to clean it now. I don't know how long it's gonna take to clean. See all the mess. There are only few kids, but all these guys made full mess, including this little one who participated in the mess. All the trash. See? Who made the mess, Raya? Who made the mess?
Let me see.
Who made the mess?
Amma.
Amma made the mess? No. See,
Yeah.
all the mess. Kitchen pot is cleaned already.
No, that is the best over there.
And here is another mess. Mess everywhere. Mess,
Here.
mess.
Here.
Here? Oh man. Look at it. So much work to do on Sunday morning. Yesterday my son party had a lot of mess, as I was showing in another video. I'm gonna clean this up with the Lupe. I really like the vacuum Lupe. It's really nice. It'll do tremendous job in cleaning stuff. See all the mess. Okay, I'll upload another video after cleaning. Everything is cleaned. Luke helped me a big time. Seems like it cleaned very well. Yeah, it did.
No.
Yeah, see, Raya?
Look.
Oh, yeah. These are the balloons. We're gonna keep them for some more time.
No. This is not clean.
Good.
It's not clean. Not
No, all the dust gone, right, Raya?
No. I see
All the
it.
dust is gone.
I see it. I see it. This. It's here. Daddy, here. Come here.
All clean.